Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my June 2020 Boxyluxe box. I didn't do a Boxycharm unboxing last month because I wasn't really sure if you guys want to see more of these videos. Normally, I would do a monthly Boxycharm unboxing video, so please let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to continue seeing a Boxycharm unboxings. So really quickly before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing another mystery box giveaway right now. Just check out my last video if you guys want to see how to enter that. I'll also have it linked in my description box below, and then I'll have a little card up here on the screen if you guys want to go and just click on that. And also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on, that way you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video, and then you will not miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So for those of you guys who do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription service, and every month you get full-size makeup products. You also get like skincare, hair care, everything like that. And I do have the Boxyluxe subscription as well, so instead of getting my normal box like every 3 months, I get the upgraded box, which I believe is $50 a month, and then the regular box is just $25 a month. So this month I did get the big upgraded box. Here is what the box looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. I have not even looked in here yet, so I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure last time I got a Boxyluxe, I was like not impressed. If I'm remembering correctly, like I remember not liking that box like at all. All right, so the first thing in here is a brush set, which is always nice. This is from the brand $1 Billion Brushes. Wait, hold on. I thought there was a brand called $1 Billion Brows. I wonder if it's like the same brand. I don't ever get like the insert cards anymore. Oh wait, oh my gosh, I have an insert card. I have not got one of these in a month, and I believe someone commented on my video and told me that they like email it out now, but I never get emails from Boxycharm like ever, so I never got like my little card like this with all the information. All right, so this is from the brand $1 Billion Brows, and this is their charcoal 5-piece brush set. Interesting. It says bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. That's interesting. I've never heard of brushes like that. So the price of this is $55, which is very expensive for 5 brushes. I normally just like use Morphe brushes, which are really cheap. It says that these are vegan, cruelty-free, and they have synthetic bristles that are charcoal infused for an antimicrobial, I hope I'm saying that right, effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. All right, so the first brush we have right here is the powder brush. It says that it has ultra soft bristles that applies bronzer or blush with ease. The bristles do feel soft, but they're not like the softest bristles that I've ever felt. I feel like for how expensive these brushes are, I would expect them to be just a little bit softer, and some of them, I don't know if you guys can see, are like going in different directions, but I'm sure that'll be fixed after I wash them. I do like how the brushes look. I feel like they do look really nice. They're not that heavy, so they don't really feel very expensive. I do like the gray bristles though, because I'm like all about everything gray. So that is the powder brush. Next up is the contour brush, which is like a flat top kind of angled brush. I actually am excited about this brush. I feel like this one will be really good. It does have really soft bristles, and it says that these densely packed angled bristles apply any cream or powder bronzer for the perfect contour. I do feel like this would fit so nicely just right here in the cheekbones. I feel like this brush is a little bit softer than the powder brush. Yeah, I definitely feel like this one is softer. The next brush is the concealer brush. This is just like your standard kind of flat top concealer brush. I never really use brushes like this ever to apply concealer, so I'm not too excited about this one, but it says precise flat bristles apply liquid and cream cosmetics to conceal targeted areas of the face. I feel like you could also use this like on your eyes as well, because it is not too big. Next up we have an eyeshadow brush, and it says that this has ultra soft bristles that grab a controlled amount of eyeshadow to apply evenly across the eyelid. It is a little bit more kind of like fluffy than I would prefer to apply a shade all over the lid, but I feel like you could kind of blend a color on your outer corner with this brush, and you could even go along your lower lash line with that one as well. So that is a nice brush. And then the last brush we have here is the highlighter brush, and I'm not sure how this is a highlighter brush. This is very, very tiny for a highlighter brush. It says tapered bristles apply and blend highlighter to small areas of the face. You know what? This would probably actually be really good for doing like your nose highlight, and you could probably even go on your brow bone with this. So I'm definitely going to have to try out this brush set and see how it goes. Next up, I got a mascara, and this is from the brand Lily Lashes, which is a really well-known lash brand. And this is their Triple X Mascara in the shade Black. It says that this is extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. And the price of this is $24. I'm actually really excited about this. I feel like I've seen people talking about this mascara and I have heard good things so far. And so I'm really excited to try this out. So far this Boxyluxe is going way better than the last one I got because I was not happy with my last Boxyluxe. All right, so next up I got something here from the brand Bodyography. I've not tried that many of their products, but let's see. This is their lip pencil 2-pack. So it says that this is their lip pencil set with the shades Pouty and Rosewood. It says antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define the lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. And the price of this is $28, which is a pretty good price for 2 lip pencils. So first up we have the shade Pouty right here, which is a really nice nude shade. Oh, this is actually kind of like a pinky, kind of mauve-ish nude. That's really pretty. And that went on really nicely. It didn't feel too dry or anything. And then the other shade, let's see, this one is called Rosewood. Oh, this is really pretty. I feel like both of these shades would be really pretty for the fall time. I'm not usually the biggest fan of like the actual like kind of pencil liners. I normally like a lip liner that like twists up, but these do feel really nice and they don't feel dry, which is normally why I don't like pencil lip liners, because they normally feel a little bit dry. And it actually is kind of good that they're not too creamy so they don't move around on the lips, but I definitely don't like a super dry lip liner, and those don't feel dry at all. They feel really nice. So next up I got this skincare item right here, and I believe I've gotten something from this brand before in an Ipsy as well. I believe it was like an eye cream or something. I am not sure how to say this brand's name. It says it's from the brand Malin and Goats, I believe. This is their recovery treatment oil. It says this botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish the skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It says it has evening primrose, argan, and I believe it's jojoba oils, which help boost hydration. It says it also has grapeseed and rosehip oils that deliver vitamin C and E to help improve skin tone. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. The price of this is $82. Wow, that's really expensive. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open this like completely because sometimes I like to not open it in case I put it in like a giveaway or something. Well, I actually do really like the bottle. So here is what it looks like. I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to try this out or not. It has a lot of really good oils in it. Oh, it does have a really strong fragrance in here. It says that you're supposed to apply 5 to 7 drops on clean skin. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna try this out or not, or just put it in a giveaway for you guys. But I actually am feeling like this is a better skincare item than like the ones we got last time. So the next thing that I got is also another skincare item, and this is actually from the brand Kylie Skin, which I think is really exciting to get in the box. This is the foaming face wash. I have not heard like too much about Kylie Skin. Like obviously I've heard of it, but I haven't seen that many people talk about her skincare. It says that this is their luxurious foaming face wash, which is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion, and the price of this is $24. Now, while I do feel like this is really exciting to get, this is another thing that I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep, just because I have like a really strict skincare routine, and I don't really feel like I need to try out a new cleanser, but love the packaging of this. So I'll probably just put this in a giveaway for you guys. By the way, I do a lot of giveaways on my Instagram page, so make sure you guys follow me on there because I do tons of like bigger giveaways on there. All right, so next up I got this right here. Let's see. This is from the brand Hallmark Collectibles, I believe. This is their satin pillow and mask set. Okay, so this is interesting. I got a satin pillowcase in my FabFitFun, I believe. Yeah, I did pick that for FabFitFun. So that's interesting that I got one in my Boxyluxe. It says that this is a non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes one standard satin pillowcase with a matching satin eye mask. Ooh, okay, so this comes in this beautiful pink shade. So here is the eye mask. I've never tried an eye mask before. Let me know if you guys use one of these and if it's like worth it to use one. I don't even know the purpose of using an eye mask, like just to block the sun. I don't know. I've never used one before, so I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use it or not. But the satin pillowcase, I can definitely see myself using. I really love the color of this, even though it doesn't match like my house or anything. because everything is gray in my house or white, but this is a really pretty color, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. And let's see, the price of this is $50. So the next thing I got in my Boxyluxe is this BB cream from the brand Purelisse. I haven't tried that many of their products. I've only ever gotten their products like in a subscription service, whether it was Boxycharm or Ipsy. I'm not really sure where you can even buy this besides online, but this is their Perfect Glow BB cream with SPF 30. It says it's oil-free, moisturizing, and natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. It says it's good for all skin types, even sensitive, so I'm really excited to try this out. The price of it is $35. And what shade did they send me? I don't see a shade on this. All right, so there's the shade right there. I actually feel like that's gonna match me. It does look like it's a good light neutral shade. I did fill out like their little complexion quiz on the website, so I'm sure that's how I got a perfect shade. And then the last thing that I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of June is this Tarte palette. This is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette. Let's see. This is a $49 palette. It says prepare for an expression explosion. Interesting. Being passionate about pigment, this sequel to the OG Pro palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. Ooh, I'm actually really excited about this. I normally love Tarte's palettes. So here's what the packaging looks like. Ooh, here are all of these shades. I'm actually really excited about this. I feel like this will be a really good palette for every day. So I'm definitely gonna start using this out this week. These shimmery shades over here on the side are gorgeous. Let's do some matte swatches too. Ooh, okay, so the mattes look really good. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. So I'm actually really excited about this palette. So that is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of June. I'm actually like super impressed with this month's Boxyluxe. I feel like this is way better than the last Boxyluxe that I got. There's not really anything in the box that I'm not excited about. I feel like everything overall was really good. If I had to pick like a least favorite thing in the box, it would probably just be the lip liner set, because I'm not really big into lip liners, but everything else was amazing. I am so excited about all of the products. Probably the most exciting thing for me was the Tarte palette. And then I also do really think that the Kylie skincare in here is really exciting, even though I'm not going to be keeping this product. So yeah, I would definitely give this month's box a thumbs up. I feel like it was a really good box. If you guys get Boxycharm or if you get Boxyluxe, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box for this month. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys go enter that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. You guys do not want to miss out on it. Also, before you guys go, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.